Well, hello friends, welcome back. So I got the tree out of this here hydroponics, got the big pipes down. This is just a little update of how it's doing in the cold. I've been working pretty hard and haven't been able to spend much time out here, but it's doing good. So I got the water going here. This is tree roots, part of the blob of tree roots from the tree I took out of here. And then this dwarf Sagittaria is going crazy. I don't know, it's kind of turned this pale color. It's very interesting. And the guppy grass has turned red. And then the Ludwigia, man, it is red. And this water is frigid. Got some onions. This vent's gotten really happy. Over here, these guys just all turned red. I don't think that's a good thing. But it turns red every time it gets really cold. It's supposed to be, the guy I got this from said it was spirillus. Yeah. When it gets warm it gets really green. When it's cold it is red. And here got more guppy grass. You're kind of passed over, but there's hornwort. The hornwort really likes the hot water, but it does just fine in the cold. And in the cold, it turns red too. Like the stem turns red. Oh, that water hurts. We got American pondweed. Aphids are eating it up. More over there. Got a lot of algae going on. Because I haven't been out here to do maintenance. More of the American pondweed. There was some Vallisneria at the bottom of this, but I don't see it. Oh shoot, that's cold! This Bacopa is doing pretty spectacularly. Look at that. Leaves are getting a lot bigger. This plant is a mystery plant. It looks really good underwater. It is red, red, red. But a lot of this other growth that's kind of dying off was above water growth. I put the bucket inside this big tank so it was less likely to freeze, because it used to be out here and it was just going to freeze and explode the pot, so moved it in there to try to prevent that. And I have heaters going in there. It's kept the water from freezing, but it's not going to keep the water at a warm temperature, that's for sure. But yeah, but the Bacopa is doing great. This plant, whatever it is doing great. And then there's also more Ludwigia down there. And it is nice and red. Yeah, that's these tanks. Oh, this guy should probably open it. See what it looks like. This one, oh, that water's nice. Keep the lid on to keep it from getting too cold. And there's just a little heater in there. But this one, this hornwort's doing nice. Nice, nice, nice. All just from that little 100-watt heater in this 60-gallon tall tank. But just keep the lid on it. Keep it toasty in there. Over here, I have this big tank of mostly hornwort. This hornwort's starting to look a little rough. There's a heater in here too, but it's a large mass of water. And this one's got a lot more too. You can see the hornwort under the surface through the glare. This one also has watermill, so I'm just trying to get rid of the watermill. So I'm not heating this tank. I'm just waiting for the watermill to freeze. Hopefully that'll kill it. But yeah, a happy day, guys. I got this other tank here of guppy grass. It's doing nicely in my reflection. More guppy grass in here. It's not doing great at all. Got some onions up here. Over here I got some duckweed. Keep it under this server room acrylic floor tile from, you can probably guess where. Got it from a junkyard if you're wondering. But yeah, but happy days, my friends. And those ones over there are mostly empty. They just have rainwater. I don't need to dump them out. But hope you liked the update. See you in the next one. Ha ha!